Hey, Simon here from Vizwik. I'm going to show you today how to add a set of data elements to a list that you often do in an app when you're building out some kind of list of products or other things like that. So let's get started. The list, start off with a simple list here. Is a control, you just drag and drop it into a view, and then if you reload the simulator, you'll see that there's actually nothing being displayed. The reason why is because the view shows you the list items, but there's nothing attached to them. So to create some information on the list, we're going to start off with a data editor. Simply click the data icon down here and you'll create a new editor. We want now to have a table which will contain the information that will be in the list. So I can drag and create a new table element like that. Let's just hide our property panel here. And now I'm going to open this up and create a set of columns. So I'm going to start off with the title, create a new column, call this the note, or for the description, and you'll see how this works out. Now I'm going to create a set of these rows. So row 1, row 2, row 3. And I'll say item 1 like so, and then item 2 like that, and then item 3 like so. And now this table is going to be, I'll call it my list like that. And if I go now to the table and I select the property panel and go to the data tab, I can go and map or we call binding here, bind the data to the list. So I'm going to find the data 1 data editor, because there could be more than one in a project. I'm going to find my list, which is the data item in here, since you can have more than one. And I'm now going to map the title of the list item to the title inside of my data. And I'm going to add a description and call that the note. And now if I reload the simulator, you'll see that these items now appear. And these are the items over here. Now, we cannot see the description because I've added nothing to the note. So say this is item 1 is blueberries. I can't spell blueberry. Peach, and then banana, whatever. And now, again, if I go back here and reload, you'll now see that the information has been pulled in. And what it's doing is it's binding the list items and the descriptions to these columns inside the data element. So that's how you do that. Now whenever I click on any one of these, I'm going to get an event and it will tell me what that is. So if I want to create a new script and then drop that onto the view item and double click on here, it will print that event. Let's reload here, print that event, and you'll see which item was clicked on. It'll give you the description, the ID, the index of it, which is number 2. If I click number 1 here, you'll see that the index is number 1. And if any other information is provided attached to that, you can do that. And that's really useful when you want to jump from one screen to another and then grab the information of the indexed item that you have, or even just the title and the description to display it in, say, a form or something like that. So there you go. Have some fun and enjoy playing with Vizwik.